What it is, guys, this your boy King Mike D Games coming at you with another video. Excuse my attire. It's actually 11:05 at night right now. I just got done playing some games, and something was on my mind. Something I overheard a fairly new content creator say. They were saying, my friends and my family, I asked them to subscribe to me and they won't do it. But I want to make the video basically about the topic is basically be about that. All right. So I've been doing YouTube on a serious note for about, I want to say 3-4 years now, about 4 years. And, I've noticed some things, and I want to say this. A lot of people who are family and friends, and I use the word friend very loosely. People who know me know that I really use that word loosely because everybody is not your friend. A lot of people we talk to are associates. We associate with them, we talk to them, we deal with them. But are they a true friend? Something you got to ask yourself. But, when I started doing YouTube, and I still do it from time to time, I might advertise on my Facebook saying, hey, I'm about to go live, or hey, I'm close to 800, I'm close to 900 subscribers. Can you guys subscribe to me? And I won't get that. I'm pretty sure most people on their Facebook have hundreds and hundreds of friends. I don't. I probably have maybe close to 200, but they're all 200 people that I know personally. I don't add people I don't know and stuff like that. You would think if I put that out there that I would have 200 subscribers or close to it. But no, a lot of people don't want to see you prosper. Even if it's something as little as liking, pushing a subscribe button, not paying for anything, not subscribing to a monthly subscription to pay, just clicking a subscribe button. And when I first started, it used to bother me, but what I did was I reevaluated. I reevaluate the people who I call friends and the people who I associated with because not everybody wants to see you win, and I'm pretty sure people have noticed that, if someone's not doing better than you, usually, or if someone is not on the same positive level, it will bother them to see you doing something positive and gaining traction. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm like at about 9 something or something like that. And I noticed certain way people act who started when I started. Who started when I started, who had none, and they still really don't have any, and they see me gaining a little bit more popularity and it bothers them. So I say that to say, if you're a content creator, if you're a creator of any sort, keep doing what you want to do. Don't always look for everyone who is a family member or friend to support you. Believe in yourself and the support will come, okay? I was like that at first too, where I had stopped believing in myself with as far as the YouTube stuff goes, and I had kind of let it go for a little bit. People who've been around for a while know that, but I'll get that spark again to keep going, And honestly, a lot of you guys keep me going. I'm not gonna lie, you guys keep me going, So I say that to say again, if you are a creator of any sort, keep doing what makes you happy. If it makes you happy, if it brings a smile on your face, if it if it turns a negative into a positive for some kind of way, then do it. Forget what everybody else says. I know I'm rambling on because it's super late and I need to lay down, but I hope you guys got the message of the video, okay? It's just, I see it a lot. I see a lot of people doing what I did at first. Kind of getting upset at people that are close to them not supporting them. Get used to it, all right? Get used to it, but also get used to pushing forward and moving forward, all right? This is King Mike D Games. I'm rambling on. I'm going to get out of here. I will be live tomorrow. Well, when you guys see this, it's going to be tomorrow already. Well, I should say I'm going to be live later on. So peace out. I love you guys. I'm out.